Hello. Welcome to the weekly forecast. We are currently looking at US30, right? We are also going to be looking at Nasdaq, US gold, and German, but now we are focusing on US30, and we are going to plot our weekly low and our weekly high, right? You can see we did have our first touch right there, our second touch, and our third touch, confirming that trend line, right? So now what we can also see is this. If we just zoom into this area right here, go to the candlesticks. Now let's remain there. We can just see that we did have our first touch, right? We had our head right there, and we had our right shoulder right there, confirming this reversal, right? Head and shoulder pattern reversal. And as well, you can see that we did have that so this is, we would be looking to take a sell towards this area here, and you can see this is another low area for us, so we can just put that there as another low area, but we are also looking for sell opportunities towards that side, right? Let's just remove that and just go right. That's where we can see that sell opportunity for hourly and on the candlesticks. And we can see that we did have, right, that again, that downward trend, that was the overall up big time frame downward trend, but we did have that. So we had our first touch, second touch, third touch, and also here what you can see is that the support area, and you can see also in the previous weeks, as you can see as well, but we're just going to focus on this area. Let's just zoom in. Right. And what you can see with this area right here is that this is giving us the descending triangle, right? And you can see we did identify that head and shoulder pattern and descending triangle, so we are having more confirmation of a sell for this start of the week, right? The start of the week. And we also just look at this area where we did have that ascending part, but we are not going to focus on it much. So at the start of the week, we'll be looking to go short. The market might come, give us a retest, and we'll enter that sell. Looking at here, taking our first target and overall target towards this area, right? But that's going to be it for US30. Taking a look at Germany again, we're going to plot our weekly low and again our weekly high. So if you expect the market to play around in this area throughout the week, of course can be looking at that. So if you go to the candlesticks, right, candlesticks, you can see we did have this area here, so great strong resistance area for us. So we did have that area is a strong resistance area. You can get this is the first touch and this is the second touch, so we can be looking at this reversal confirmation. But what you can see also that this here right area was also a support area, and this is also again we are on the daily time frame, right? So just waiting for it to load, right? If we take it back to the daily time frame, I just want to show you guys something. You can see that we are having a doji right there, and that candlestick pushing up at this false pattern formation right here, just this right here. You can look at this as a morning star, and you can see that we did form that double bottom right there. So again, a morning star, a reversal pattern, so we might be shooting up. We might come back, see the market shooting up to this area at the start of the week, breaking above, giving us a retest, and then shooting up, and or it might just shoot up, retest this area, and then shoot down. But yeah, that's just gonna be on the lookout for that. Let's remove this as well, so that we can focus on more, see more. Let's go to the 4-hourly candlestick, right? On the 4-hourly, right, you can see that we did have that confirmation right there of that right trend line. So we did have our first touch right there, our second touch, and our third touch. So what you can also see that this area is also giving us a descending triangle, but if the market does again close above here, we'll be looking to take that buy, right, that buy for this movement towards this up here, which is 133 pips, right? We're looking to take out that buy movement, and you can also see this area right here. This area right here is another resistance area where the market, it was previously support, and you can see previously as well here the market did test it, but it was not came back to be a resistance area and looking that is. So again, we might see a reversal to come here before shooting up, because on the higher time frame we did see that morning star and then that double top formation. But that's gonna be it for Germany. Taking a look at our fundamentals, and if you saw the weekly review, you know that the last week's weekly review numbers, these are important because on Friday they did take us out, but on Monday, not really anything. On Tuesday, the inflation rate, yeah, let's look at the inflation rate for Germany, right? I don't know, we'll just have to be on the lookout for that economic sentiment index for Germany as well, but we'll just have the core inflation rate and the CPI, the inflation. So this on Wednesday, no, it's still on, no, it's on, still on Tuesday for US 30 and US 100. Those will definitely have an impact, so we'll just be on the lookout for those ones. On Thursday, South African, on Thursday we have the Fed interest rate division, the economic projection. Again, this will definitely have an impact, right? Will definitely have an impact. And then on Friday, no, this is Wednesday. This is Wednesday. On Thursday we do have the initial jobless claims, the retail sales again will definitely have an impact on our trading, so also be on the lookout for that. And on Friday, not really much fundamentals for Friday, but yeah. Looking at gold, and again we're gonna plot our weekly low and our weekly high, right? Our weekly low, weekly high, and we can also see that this area right here is another resistance area. You can see it was previously support, but now it turned resistance. So you can see that the market did come test this area again, test it again, give us for that second touch. And if you do ignore that past action, if you do ignore that, we can also see this area right here as a double top, so we might be looking for reversals upon market open shooting up. But again, with considering this, right, considering this, we can also look at it as a triple top formation, right? A triple top formation. You can also see this ascending trend line, right? Trend line, upward trend line right there. Go to the forward. Go to the forward, just zoom in. Just so that we can focus on this area right there. So again, we must cater for most touches. So you can see that the market is now might be playing for a reversal to come back down. But again, this formation right here is an ascending type triangle. So if the market does break up, I'll give us a retest. We'll be looking to take that buy entry. But yeah, that's gonna be it for gold. Looking now at coming to Nasdaq, we're gonna plot our weekly low and our weekly high, right? Weekly low and weekly high, and you can also see this on. You can see that we are having an upward trend, right? Or vertical resistance right there. When the market was shooting up, you can also see we had this area right there, right? Where the market did break down, but we can see that resistance right there. And you can also see, if you take it to the candlesticks, you can also see that this area right here is another support area, and we are at the bottom of that upward trend that we saw right there. You can also just put it right here, right? Okay, if it almost touches, you can put it right there. Right there, we are at the bottom. We're looking, so we might be looking, if we just zoom in, we might be looking for buy entries at the start of the week. Might be looking for buy entries to go along with this trade, looking at that, because now we are looking at for the daily time frame. We are looking to go long. If we go on the 4-hourly time frame, right, on the 4-hourly time frame, we can see we did have this downward trend line, like the downward trend line, where the market now did break, close above it, came back for a retest, right, but close below it again. So if the market does come back again, close for that retest, we'll be looking to take sell entries, not sell or buy entries, right? But if it does close below this, we'll be looking to take the sell entries. If it does close below this area, give us a retest, we'll be looking to take that sell entries. Or what you can see with this area right here is this area right there. Just put it like this, right? So if the market does break up, give us a retest on that area, we will be taking our buy, looking that as our first target, our third target, and our overall target towards our weekly high. But yeah, guys, that's gonna be it for the weekly forecast. So be like, share, comment, subscribe. Let's learn and let's trade responsibly. Peace.